Hello guys, I lost my job, so today I'm going to close my storage little by little, a little bit every week, so I can clean it up and save a little money. The monthly of this is almost $100 a month, so we've been here 7 years already. It's about time to close this storage. Some donation, some garbage, some put it in the garage. So is this the best time to close my storage? I have plenty of time moving. Every day after I drop the kids to school, I go here and take and put it in my van and put in some in the garbage, some donation, and some in the garage. Alright? I donate my Nerf guns, half of it, to Goodwill, and half of it I keep it. I don't need it anymore. So the mission is to clean the storage. It takes me 1 month to clean it up. Look at guys, so clean and bright. That's my daughter helping me. Alright. Say goodbye to my collection. Wala na, bye-bye na. I-donate na. It's hard to find those things now. They don't make that anymore. They don't make that this long time ago. So it's collectibles. So gonna help the school donate some Nerf guns, some water guns. Donate till it hurts. Alright. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, that's a battery operated one. I'm gonna clean the storage. We did it, Kate. It's so clean now. Look at that. Wala na? Despedida ni Joel. There, man. Yeah, we buy, you know. No, you stay here one.
Or what?
Eat the chili first. Eat the chili dog.
Okay.
First time po dito. Man, why you play around, man? Why you playing, man? First time ko dito. Ikaw?
Ay, hindi, pangalawa na ba?
Oh, he's happy now. He's happy now, huh?
Huh?
The boy is happy now. Sander.
Look like good, see?
Yeah, look like girl. When he sick one is happy. Look like girl, but boy. Siya daw tayo. Siya ang tayo. Oh, mag-vlog kami.
Ha?
Mag-vlog din.
Chicken adobo. Chicken. Beef steak.
Beef steak? Okay.
Ich speak Tagalog.
Oops, namatay ba?